Why do 80% of finance pros choose LearnWorlds to build their online academy? Let's find out. LearnWorlds is your all-in-one platform to create, manage, and monetize top-tier finance courses. With interactive content, real-world simulations, and a comprehensive toolkit, you can turn your expertise into a thriving online academy. Imagine offering courses that not only educate but inspire. Courses that prepare the next generation of finance leaders to navigate the complexities of investment banking, portfolio management, and more. LearnWorlds gives you the tools to build engaging, self-paced learning experiences that fit into your learners' busy schedules. Plus, you'll have access to industry experts and custom development options to tailor your content to perfection. By sharing your knowledge, you're not just teaching, you're empowering others to excel and succeed. And for you, it's a lucrative business opportunity. Ready to make an impact? Discover how LearnWorlds can help you build your profitable finance academy today. Join the ranks of successful finance educators and start shaping the future. Empower, educate, excel with LearnWorlds.